This is by far the fastest way you're going to be able to make $400 a day on Clickbank. What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can make $300 to $400 a day with Clickbank as a complete beginner. And the best part about this is that it's 100% free. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below, because I'm going to be providing an insane amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. And guys, I'm actually going to be doing a $100 PayPal giveaway on this video, and I'm going to be announcing how you guys can enter this giveaway at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay till the end, and I will be revealing how you guys can win that $100. So let's get right into this video. So as you all know, I'm on the Clickbank marketplace today, which is the affiliate network that I recommend everyone should join, just because the commissions are great for anyone looking to start generating some affiliate sales. And literally you can join so easily. You don't have to get approved from any affiliate manager. You can pretty much sign up in one sitting. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys kind of the whole business layout that is needed to really get started and start making money fast with affiliate marketing. So we're on the whiteboard today, and this is kind of the whole blueprint on how you're going to be able to generate income affiliate marketing completely passively without having to pay for any ads, without having to pay for any influencers. And this is how you're going to be able to drive traffic to your affiliate offer hands-free. So the first thing obviously I recommend you guys do is pick a niche. Okay, you know, a lot of people tend to overcomplicate this, but picking a niche, guys, you know, you don't have to be an expert in what you're promoting. As long as you have an interest in the field or a passion for it, then you know you're good to go. Okay, so these are the three niche ideas I recommend that pretty much have the most money in them, and that is weight loss, romance, making money. The reason why I chose these three was because Clickbank, you know, they tend to have the best products surrounding these three niches. Now I'm going to show you guys a quick step-by-step on how you guys can make money with these niches. So we're going to go to the Clickbank marketplace today, and I'm just going to do one in the business niche, since I have yet to do that in my tutorial videos. So obviously we're going to sort it by gravity, and if you guys aren't familiar with why I chose gravity, these are pretty much the best affiliate products to promote. This shows how many affiliates actually earned money promoting these products. So obviously the higher the number, the better converting the product is. So we are going to scroll through here, and as you can see, Bitcoin, obviously it's the hottest product on the market simply because it's a very hot topic, but we're not going to promote that today. As you can see, Woodprints has a gravity of 26.98. You know, if you're a beginner starting out, I recommend promoting products with a gravity score of at least 25 to 30. I mean, you should be fine promoting products with a gravity score of 15 to 20, just because, you know, that just means that those are performing decently. Like for this one, I'm just going to show you guys this for an example. This one has a gravity score of 26.62. Which is not bad at all. And as you can see, the average sale is 142 bucks. Now, this is where the magic's gonna come into play, guys. So the reason why I chose you guys to pick a niche is because your whole objective here is to get a specific audience to pretty much be interested in your niche. And as you can see, a little bit about this product is it's one, a pretty good selling product. Two, it's recurring. So that means each month you get a retaining commission for the amount the product is worth. So, you know, you can make residual income just from promoting this one product around Forex. So we're going to look at this product really quick and see a little bit of background information on the product. As you can see, the Forex Trendy Scanner, reduce unnecessary losses and increase your odds of winning with this one easy tool. So this is kind of a software that people use with Forex, and you can see that they give you a brief introduction to it. So you guys can see they have a lot of, you know, interesting copy surrounding the Forex market. And they also provide a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, you know, it's risk-free to purchase the product. So, you know, you have a huge earning potential just from promoting this one product. And I'm going to show you guys the automation tool you can use to actually start earning sales affiliate marketing with this product. So, we're going to go back to the whiteboard. And the thing you guys are going to want to do is promote the product on YouTube. So, people really underestimate YouTube because you have to think of YouTube as a search engine, all right? You know, when you think of a search engine, you think of Google, right? And, you know, Google is more of like the king of search engines, and then the queen is YouTube. But the thing about YouTube is it's so much easier to rank because one, there's a lot less traffic volume, and two, there's a lot less competition. But the best thing about it is, you know, if you're interested in doing this, it's pretty simple to start getting traffic to your affiliate offer, especially if it's in like a make money niche, because with Forex, guys, there's so many searches that go on each and every day, you know, for finding the best trends, finding the best softwares. You know, a lot of people go to YouTube to get their, you know, problems resolved. And the best part about it is you don't have to pay a dime for traffic, right, to go to your affiliate offer. So the thing you can do is first, you know, look at the product and see how the reviews are already going for this product. You know, make sure it's not a garbage product to promote. So we're just gonna, you know, type it in, Forex trendy. And you're gonna see a bunch of, you know, search terms that go along with it. So when you're creating a YouTube video, you want to keep these search terms in mind because these are what most people are searching for when they are looking up a product or looking up information about a certain topic. You want to use this as a reference to what kind of keywords you want to put in your video, okay? Because that is what's going to drive traffic to your video, okay? And potentially earn you more sales. So just utilize a bunch of buyer intent keywords in your description. You know, we can look at the first video right here, and you can see here that there's already 9.7, almost 10K views on this one, you know, review of the product. So imagine how many people have converted, you know, to buying the product, probably most likely through his affiliate link, okay? So you could see here, we're gonna scroll down a little bit. So here's obviously his affiliate link. And you're going to want to scroll down and look at the tags he's using. So obviously you're going to want to, you know, duplicate the tags he's actually ranking for. So, you know, I would do Forex trendy review. And as you can see below, you know, this gives a lot of people insight on how the product works. So, you know, all these people are all, you know, people that are interested in the product, right? These are pretty much people that are looking to buy this product. Okay. So really understand the power of YouTube. Okay, because people don't understand that this is a search engine, all right? So very powerful tool here. And, you know, you can see in his description, he leaves the link there. So, you know, if you guys look at my descriptions in my YouTube videos, I leave a link of the tools I use in the description. And those are the things I recommend to you guys. So, and that's what you guys should be doing when you're, you know, building your YouTube up. You always want to keep your affiliate link there because people can use that as their reference to buying the product. So, you know, you can say, you know, this is the top tool I use for Forex trends, and just leave it in the description on, you know, the tools that you use to promote that product, okay? Because one, it's not going to look salesy, and two, it's just going to look like it's a powerful product that helped you pretty much make money online. So, you know, this product right here is super powerful. You know, so if you're looking to get into the Forex market, this is definitely a powerful tool you can promote, especially through YouTube. So, you know, there's a huge potential you can make promoting affiliate products on YouTube. You know, you don't just have to do one review video. You can, you know, provide some results that you've got from that product, and that's going to build more credibility for people to buy through your link, okay? Because you don't want to just, you know, go out there and start reviewing products, you know, product after product on your YouTube just to get those sales. You have to genuinely, you know, believe in the product you're selling, right? So I recommend first, you know, buying the product before even promoting it and see if you like it yourself, and then making a review on it, showing how the product helped you. And then trust me guys, that's going to spark some interest for your audience, and people are going to be more willing to buy through your affiliate link. So we're just going to go back to the whiteboard, and the power of using YouTube is this pretty much filters out your ideal audience for people that are looking to purchase the product. So, you know, when you're using specific keywords like review or best or comparison video, that already filters out people that are, you know, truly interested in buying the product. And again, it has that buyer intent. Now, one method I recommend when you're actually promoting these products is using a landing page. In your description, maybe you can give something free of value. Maybe you can incentivize your audience to, you know, give them your email for a free currency trend that you're currently using. And then after they give you your email, if they don't eventually buy the product, you can hold on to that person's email and retarget them in a later date, and, you know, give them a follow-up email to purchase the product. Obviously, you don't want to be too spammy, but, you know, email marketing is always what worked for me with affiliate marketing. So definitely recommend using a landing page when you're promoting products. And then obviously the next thing you're going to do is start getting affiliate sales. Now, as long as your video's up and as long as this, you know, as long as this product is still selling, guys, people are going to continuously keep clicking on your video, and the more consistently you upload videos in that niche, then the better you're going to rank your videos, and that's going to get you more and more traffic to your video and potentially earn you more sales. So, you know, that just shows how powerful YouTube is, especially for affiliate marketing, guys. Yeah, guys, so really hope you learned a lot from this video. If you're still watching at this point, then comment below and say I get it, and I'm going to pick one winner in the comment section to win $100 via PayPal. All you have to do is just comment down below, like this video, make sure you're subscribed, and I'm going to pick a random winner to PayPal $100 to. So really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah, guys, take care.